YouTube channel. Annyeonghaseyo mga ka-Shingo. This is Kev TV and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, tatayin natin yung dalawang bagong drinks/desserts sa McDo. So I'll see you later. Bye! So, hintayin ko muna yung delivery. So, and that's food taste review it. And it's food review it. Bye! So we're okay, so we're back. Annyeong, hello. So I get this the chocolate sundae that costs 75 pesos on the McDonald's lab, and we have a, I don't know, 60 or 70 pesos. I don't know. I'm gonna put the prices here on this side. So they have the new McDonald's like new packaging. What McDonald's? It's like the Japanese thing. What? It's a Sprite peach McFreeze fruit frizz. This is float. This is I'm gonna taste the chocolate sundae one. Let's go. Try out this chocolate. This is chocolate sundae, and I'm a fan of chocolate, and I'm a fan of McDonald's sundae. So let's try these two great combinations. So they have the see. So let's start. So I have a spoon here. They come with a spoon. So let's do this. Open it. Oh, there's chocolate bits in it. Let's see. Let me. They use real chocolate. Or I mean the chocolate brand. The chocolate and the sundae really blends well. This is caramel. Instead of chocolate chocolate dip, right? It's good for like its price and very just at init. It's summer ngayon. I think I rate this 10 out of 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love it. So it's ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, I know that McDonald's will be mad at me if I just baka magalit ang McDonald's. Pero lasa siyang Slurpee. Yung Slurpee na nabibili mo sa 7-Eleven. Yun yung lasa niya. Fruit with the fruit. Ano. Yun. Siguro i-rate ko tong Sprite float, fruit fizz float nila, 7.5 or 8.5. Kasi sobrang identical yung lasa niya dun sa Slurpee yung 7-Eleven. So grabe, pero masarap guys. And sabi yun na nga, ang sarap. So tapos na tayo sa tastes, kung mabilis na lang. The chocolate sundae. So hello guys, nakat kasi nag-lobat, nag-charge ako charge yung phone ko. Pero I rate the again chocolate sundae 10 out of 10 and the Sprite peachy fruit fizz float 7.5 or 8.5 kasi lasa siya ng 7-Eleven na. Pero masarap siya guys. You should try this out. It's available at the Mac Delivery app or pwede kayong mag-drive-thru, pwede kayong mag-dine-in or delivery. Sa McDo, available siya in all McDonald's station. Right? This is Kev TV. Again, salamat sa panood ng video. I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell button. And I'll see you in the next video. This is Kev TV signing off. Peace.